So this is the theory on people who get bad grades.
This one really boosts my confidence after hearing this one.
Yeah, so there's a theory that's based on studies between people who get A's and people who get C's, and they found that the students who usually get C's actually end up being more successful than the students that get A's.
It is crazy because it's basically saying the lower the grade you have, the better outcome you will have.
Exactly. So the theory states that for the students that get A's, they actually lack creativity and they don't like to take risks because they're scared of failing, because they are so used to succeeding. But for the students that get C's, they actually are a lot more creative and they like to take risks because they're not scared of failure.